I bet you didn't think you were able to make an IKEA upper kitchen cabinet look like this. Gone are the days of IKEA looking cheap. There are so many ways to retrofit with Norse Interiors that no one is going to have the same piece as you anymore. Much like any standard IKEA piece, you're going to follow your favorite instructions to build out that base. And I'll let you in on a little secret that even if you have an existing IKEA piece, don't throw them out, because the best part of this upgrade is that it can be applied to existing pieces to give them a little facelift. Norse interior pieces are designed and built to cover the surface area of those existing pieces, and depending on the budget that you're working with, you can cover the top, sides, or even just the cabinet fronts. Hardware and legs for your furniture is going to be a complete game changer to make sure that you have the perfect finish that works with the aesthetic of your space. And let me tell you about the soft close. Honestly, it makes me so excited. If you do not have soft close cabinets, you do not know what luxury is. And next time, don't let anyone tell you IKEA is cheap once you have one of these.